Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Azure Files synchronization on a VM. To disable Azure Files synchronization on a virtual machine, begin by logging into the Azure portal. Select the Virtual Machines option from the left-hand menu. Locate and click on the virtual machine where you want to disable synchronization. In the Virtual Machine Overview, find and click on the Networking tab. Scroll down to the section labeled Extensions. Look for the Azure File Sync extension in the list. Click on the extension to open its settings. Select the Delete option to remove the Azure File Sync extension. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Once the extension is removed, close the Settings pane. Return to the Virtual Machine Overview page. Now, go to the Disk tab in the left-hand menu. Identify the disk associated with the Azure Files synchronization. Click on the disk to open its settings. Select the Detach option to remove the disk from the VM. Confirm the detachment when prompted. Finally, verify that the synchronization is disabled by checking the status of Azure Files Sync in the Azure portal. You have successfully disabled Azure Files synchronization on your virtual machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.